Having a top-rated smart lock is crucial if you need to grant access to your home, but cannot or prefer not to be present at the door. These locks can be controlled via smartphone, allowing for remote locking and unlocking. Best Product Picker presents the top 10 smart door locks available on Amazon. The product links are provided in the description below. Number 10. Deadbolt Smart Bluetooth Lock. Open the door to possibility with the Level Bolt Smart Lock. Designed elegantly and featuring powerful, cutting-edge technology, our keyless bolt lock is an innovative addition to your home. The compact size of the retrofit Smart Deadbolt seamlessly replaces your existing deadbolt, without the need to update your current lock or keys. Simply remove your existing deadbolt, install the Level Bolt, set up your Level app, and you're ready to go. Enjoy security and peace of mind with our Smart Lock Deadbolt, which features a 6-stage stainless steel gearbox designed to meet the highest industry standards for strength and security. Additionally, the expertly hidden CR2 battery delivers over a year of battery life. Track who enters your home and when, and create guest passes for house parties and special events. Operate your smart lock remotely, use voice commands with Siri, and more. Make every day easier with the Level Bolt. Number 9. Kwikset Premise Touchscreen Smart Lock. Premise is a touchscreen smart lock that is compatible with Apple HomeKit. It features a one-touch locking motorized deadbolt, allowing for the convenience of keyless entry using Siri voice commands, the Premise app, or a personalized code. It also incorporates patented Secure Screen technology to prevent code detection from fingerprints on the touchscreen. Installation, programming, and use of Premise are easy, and it operates on 4 AA batteries. Number 8. Kwikset Obsidian Keyless Touchscreen Lock. The Obsidian Touchscreen Electronic Deadbolt is a keyway-less, low-profile, one-touch locking motorized deadbolt that allows for the convenience of keyless entry using a personalized code. The LED illumination provides increased visibility. It also incorporates patented Secure Screen technology to prevent code detection from fingerprints on the touchscreen. Obsidian is easy to install, program, and use and operates on 4 AA batteries, which must be purchased separately. This lock is compatible with door thicknesses between 1 3/8 and 2 inches. Number 7. Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock. Introducing the Halo Wi-Fi Enabled Smart Lock, a simple way to get smart lock security and smart home convenience using your home's existing Wi-Fi router. Operate, manage, and monitor the lock with your smartphone using the Kwikset app from anywhere with an internet connection. The Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock is a keyless entry electronic deadbolt featuring SmartKey technology. This single-cylinder deadbolt can be locked or unlocked using the keypad or key from the outside and the turn button from the inside. The Venetian bronze finish is hand-rubbed to reveal unique bronze highlights, providing a rich and warm complement to the product's style. Compatible phone devices are included. Number 6. August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. August smart locks fit on the inside of your door, making your regular deadbolt smarter, more secure, and much more convenient. You can quickly and easily share permanent, scheduled, or temporary access to your home with friends, family, and other trusted individuals, eliminating the need to put a key under the doormat again. These locks fit perfectly over most single-cylinder deadbolts and are only slightly larger than your original thumb turn. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock automatically unlocks as you approach your home for totally hands-free unlocking. With Auto Lock and Door Sense, your home automatically secures once your door is closed or after a set amount of time. Built-in Wi-Fi allows your lock to work with your favorite voice assistants, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings, and more. Number 5. Wyze Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Smart Door Lock. Wyze Lock is our latest piece of smart home technology. This smart lock does what you expect and all that you need from a smart lock. You can control it remotely from your phone to let the dog walker in or ensure it gets locked after you left in a rush on vacation. That's not all this lock can do. Wyze Lock knows when you arrive home and automatically unlocks as you approach the door. Once inside, Wyze Lock's built-in gyroscope detects when the door is closed and automatically locks behind you. It has all that and more, with all the necessary technology at an affordable price. Number 4. Yale Assure Lock SL. Lose your keys for good with the Assure Lock SL, the slimmest electronic lock for your home. This sleek and modern touchscreen deadbolt allows homeowners to experience the convenience of 100% key-free unlocking, while also enhancing curb appeal. Unlock your home without the hassle of keys by entering your 4 to 8-digit PIN code on the keypad. Lock the door behind you by simply tapping the keypad. The lock features eWave Plus technology, allowing you to add it to your smart home or alarm system. You can lock and unlock from anywhere, create and share PIN codes, receive access notifications, and more with most compatible Z-Wave systems. Additionally, you can lock the door with Amazon Alexa voice commands when used with Samsung SmartThings or Wink. Number 3. SCHLAG Touchscreen Deadbolt Smart Lock. Our innovative touchscreen feature allows for the convenience of going keyless and eliminates the need for keys that can be lost, hidden, carried, or forgotten. The fingerprint-resistant touchscreen ensures that numbers will not be detectable to intruders after repeated use, providing an additional layer of security for your home. Constructed from high-quality materials, this keyless deadbolt offers the highest level of security at the main point of entry. You can select between 3 alert modes: activity, tamper, or forced entry, providing alerts from the first contact with the door or handle to when the door is opened. Quickly and easily cycle between the 3 settings by simply pressing a button on the lock. If you plan to use this product with EasyWave systems other than the Wink Home Automation System, please contact your Z-Wave provider to verify compatibility. Number 2. Google Nest X Yale Lock. The Google Nest X Yale Lock in satin nickel comes with a Google seal for online marketplace. This secure and tamper-proof smart lock is designed for your front door. It features a keypad for keyless entry, allowing you to lock and unlock the door from anywhere using the Nest app. You can also give trusted individuals a passcode and receive alerts when they come and go. Please note that mobile notifications and remote control require a working internet connection and Wi-Fi. These notifications are provided for convenience, but should not replace regular care in locking your door. Number 1. Schlage Encode Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt offers peace of mind from anywhere by allowing you to remotely manage your lock via the Schlage Home app or the Key by Amazon app. You don't need to purchase an additional accessory or hub to connect to your lock from anywhere. Instead, it connects to your home's Wi-Fi signal, similar to your laptop, making it easy and intuitive to use. Rated best in security and durability, the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt features advanced features such as secure encryption and built-in alarm technology. This innovative smart deadbolt is available in a variety of styles and finishes that pair perfectly with Schlage interior door hardware, creating a cohesive look throughout your home. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe us to get the latest best products on Amazon right now.